Is using pre-made LLM models for a Gen AI product frowned upon in the industry? Good question. And by the way, if you're just joining us, I'm seeing people in the chat, so let us know where you're from, city, state, province. Is using pre-made LLM models for a Gen AI product frowned upon in the industry? Not yet. Not yet is the answer, but that day is coming. In some companies, it's already frowned upon. Other companies just don't know any better, right? But it can be. I mean, you're asking a really important question, but it can be frowned upon. Right now, people are doing it, again, because they don't know any better. And I see a time when this will change. That in the greater plan that I see, that's phase 3, where people are going to want to start their own LLMs from the ground up. So the way I tell this to my clients, yesterday I shared a bit about how people are sending me LLMs all the time, right? What do you think of this LLM? And the first question I always ask is, who owns the New York Yankees? And if the LLM gives me an answer on that, immediate fail, right? Like I'm not on board with the LLM. And I tell them this. And the reason I consider that a fail is because, have you deployed an LLM for your company? Or have you deployed a distraction tool? Right?